All right, so I just got this stainless tubing kit from Dynovox. Looks pretty nice. They even use slip fittings on this stuff to make it even more user-friendly. That's all 3-inch. I'm gonna be building a downpipe and then probably at least get a portion of the exhaust built too with this stuff. And then I got some other tubing around, but mainly I got to start with the downpipe and snake it around the wastegate and the steering shaft. So it'll definitely take some fabrication to get that sorted out without rubbing on anything, but definitely got a good start here with this kit to help with the unique bends that I'm going to be needing. So super nice. Stoked on this. All right, first cut. Stuff is nice. Okay, made some good progress up top. I used some scrap up there to do some pie cuts. And here's the Dynovox stuff here. We got 2 pieces so far. Cut up 45, and then I got this 45. And we are looking pretty good. Lined up nicely. Got good spacing between the steering shaft there, as you can see, and then heater core lines up there. So I'm gonna end up wrapping this downpipe, but it's definitely nice to try to get everything spaced out as good as you can. And we are dead center lined up with this frame rail. I think I'm gonna get one more bend in there, get it set, and then I'll probably put a V-band flange probably right around here, and then build off from that. The wastegate dumps out about right here, so plenty of room going on there. All right, so I ended up using some scrap stuff I had laying around, so there are gonna be, as you can see, a few pieces here that aren't quite as pretty as the stainless I got from Dynovox, but we got a downpipe tacked up. I'm gonna clean everything up, and then I'm gonna have to take it over to my friend's to TIG weld it, since he had to borrow my argon for an emergency project, and it's still over there. So I'll probably run by there, hopefully maybe even tonight, and get this thing all tigged up and move on from there. I need to probably order up a piece of flex tube for the center section of the exhaust. Other than that, we are well on our way to getting this thing back on the road. All right, just confirmed I can get the downpipe on in one piece as it is. Don't mind how ugly that is. I'm gonna grind her down, clean it up, and then weld it up nicely. This is scrap that I had sitting around, and I like to use up what I can. Probably been hanging on to this V-band with this little stub on it for probably 10 years, so sick. But yeah, slid right in there, And as you can see, we got great clearance from the steering shaft and the heater core line. I'll pop it up in the air just to confirm that we are aimed in the right direction underneath there. But I think we're gonna be good to rip this thing together permanently. All right, pretty much dead on here with the little pocket, a little bit of heat shielding there, heat tar. I think that's probably what that was there for. So it's about the highest spot, which is where I'm gonna wanna run it so we don't drag it on the ground. And then work our way over here towards the tunnel to get it up even higher and kind of follow the drive shaft back. But yeah, we are spot on, not too bad for a hillbilly. Yep, great clearance, still great clearance. We are good. A few welds to do, but I think can call that a finished downpipe once it's all welded up. Not sure if I'm going to do a V-band yet or just a regular slip fitting. So I guess I'll decide that maybe depending on what I have sitting around. But yeah, it's sick. Getting closer. All right, downpipe is done. I had a little flex joint sitting around with some silly flanges on it, so chopped those off. Got the mid pipe finished up, or not finished, but tacked up, and just ran out of wire. So gonna have to run to the store. I think that's gonna wrap this one up, and then I'll make another video once I get the nice downpipe all tigged up. But yeah, for now, that's a wrap. Okay, I didn't plan on doing this all, but I was on a roll and did the exhaust cat back, I guess downpipe back, I mean. I'm not sure what car this was off of that I had sitting around, but the downpipe back is all finished up. So now really I just need to TIG weld the downpipe. But yeah, this is with a bunch of scrap that I had sitting around. Not the prettiest, but it's not going anywhere.